In today's video, I'm going to show you how I painted this beautiful Chevy with its reflective chrome grille and panels. Like with all realistic watercolors, I started with a detailed sketch of the painting. The next step was masking all the highlights and white areas with masking fluid. Here's the sketch, all masked and ready to be painted. I always begin with the lightest areas to be painted. Then, as the painting progresses, I apply layers upon layers of darker values. As you can see from the sheen, this is a freshly applied coat of warm red to this panel. However, within a short period of time, it will dry to be a much lighter color. In this photo, you can see the painting starting to take shape, with all the darker red areas being added, showing the reflections of the palm trees on the hood and on the panels. And now I start with the chrome grille. I think the most important thing about painting chrome is studying your reference photo carefully and replicating the shapes exactly as you see them. At first, it might not look really precise or good, but as you proceed, it will look better and better and more realistic. As you can see, it's starting to look pretty real, and it's all about these little shapes, squares, triangles, etc. Sometimes it's necessary to turn your painting upside down in order to do the areas on top, especially if the paper is really large. It's now time to remove all the masking fluid that you've applied in order to reserve all the white spaces. You can use your finger or a hard rubber eraser made specifically for this purpose. With all the masking fluid removed, it's starting to look pretty good. The layering continues, and as you apply more layers, the more vibrant your painting is going to look. Here it is with a few more layers applied, and the only area that needs to be finished is the headlight. And here we go with putting the final touches on that headlight to make it look nice and realistic. And here's the finished painting, and if you liked it, please make sure you hit subscribe and like and share it with your friends and all those good things. Thank you for watching.